Hello, welcome to Management Center YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered what goes behind the scenes in a hotel? Picture this, a bustling hive of activity, a symphony of parts moving in harmony. Yet, as a guest, you're privy to only a fraction of this intricate ballet, the untold story of complexity and sophistication hidden behind the hospitality, the art of making the difficult look effortless. And who's the conductor of this grand orchestra? Well, today we're going to delve into the world of a hotel manager, the maestro who orchestrates this grand symphony. Welcome to the Management Center YouTube channel. As the sun rises, so does our hotel manager, ready to tackle another day. With a steaming cup of coffee in hand, she embarks on her morning ritual. It's a routine that sets the tone for the rest of the day, a routine that is as essential as the first rays of dawn. She starts by diving into the daily operations report, a document that tells the story of the hotel's performance the previous day. It's a narrative of numbers and figures, a tale of occupancy rates and room turnovers. The report serves as her compass, guiding her through the day's journey. Next, she prepares for the daily briefing with department heads. She knows the importance of communication, of setting clear expectations and charting a path for the team to follow. Her leadership, after all, is the beacon that guides the hotel through the waves of daily operations. With the day set in motion, it's now time to navigate through the bustle of hotel operations. A hotel is like a small city, and our manager is the mayor. Picture this, a bustling hive of activity, where every minute detail matters and nothing is left to chance. This is the world of a hotel manager. In this intricate web, the manager is the spider at the center, spinning the threads that connect each department. From the front desk to housekeeping, from the kitchen to the concierge, the manager ensures each component is running like a well-oiled machine. When a guest complaint arises, the manager is there, a reassuring presence, ready to smooth over any ripples and restore the calm. The manager's skill in problem-solving and decision-making is paramount to maintaining harmony within the hotel. But the manager's role isn't just about putting out fires. It's also about maintaining the hotel's high standards. From the crispness of the sheets to the shine on the lobby floor, every detail reflects on the manager's watchful eye. The manager is also the driving force behind meeting revenue targets. They understand the delicate balance of maximizing occupancy while maintaining rates that reflect the hotel's value. And at the heart of it all is guest satisfaction. Ensuring each guest's stay is memorable for all the right reasons is the ultimate goal. The manager is the guardian of the guest experience, ensuring every interaction adds to the overall impression of the hotel. As the day winds down, the manager's role shifts from a conductor to a visionary. When the lights dim and guests retire to their rooms, the manager's workday is far from over. This is where the role of a visionary comes into play. The manager, with eyes fixed on the horizon, delves into analyzing sales trends, understanding customer preferences, and identifying opportunities. They are the ones who plan for future improvements, always keeping an ear to the ground. Their role is not just about today, but about tomorrow and the day after. They are the architects of the hotel's future, shaping it with their decisions and strategies. They are the ones who ensure the hotel maintains a competitive edge, not just by offering great services today, but by always staying one step ahead, ready for the future. Their strategic role is crucial in navigating the volatile landscape of the hotel industry. As the day comes to a close, our hotel manager finally calls it a night, ready to do it all over again the next day. So, what can we learn from a day in the life of a hotel manager? Quite a lot, actually. This journey has revealed the multifaceted role of a hotel manager, a role that goes beyond just managing a property. They are the strategists, the problem solvers, the visionaries who navigate the complex landscape of hotel operations with grace and precision. They are the first to rise with the dawn of a new day, making crucial decisions that impact not only the hotel's bottom line, but also the experiences of countless guests. They are the architects of memorable experiences, creating an environment that feels like a home away from home. From juggling various administrative tasks to ensuring guest satisfaction, a hotel manager's role is as diverse as it is demanding. So the next time you stay at a hotel, remember the tireless efforts of the hotel manager who works behind the scenes to ensure your stay is memorable. Certainly, here's a professional and engaging way to encourage viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and share in your YouTube videos. Thank you for joining us today. If you're hungry for more insights into effective management across various sectors, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. If you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. We'd love to hear your ideas and experiences. And hey, if you believe in the power of knowledge sharing, share this video with your friends and colleagues. Together, we can inspire and empower others in the world of management. If you want to learn more about hotel management, you can get a 100% free course. Find the link in the description below. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions and practical tips. Until next time, keep leading with purpose and making a positive impact. See you in the next video.